ये तो सवाल सारी ज़िंदगी, you know, it's just going to remain. Exactly. मतलब, there's no one answer to this question. People have tried to define art, redefine and redefine so many times. This is what I do also, you know, at different stages of life. My definition keeps changing with my experiences. But the thing is, if I, so you're asking two things here. One is how one who is not related or has no background in arts, वो कैसे art को appreciate कर सकता है. And second is, आप मुझसे ये भी पूछ रहे हैं कि what is art if you have to define. So ये दोनों बड़ी मुश्किल बात है. But मुझे ये लगता है, मैं अपनी personal definition ज़्यादातर बता सकती हूँ. Art universally sublime consider होता रहा है कि anything that is profound, sublime, more than ordinary, and gives you this some sort of evokes some kind of emotion when you look at it, and you have no choice but to appreciate it. You know, just some classical art pieces like that, we're like, you know, breathtaking. आपका सांस रुक जाता है थोड़ी देर के लिए, like wow. And some other also. But मज़े की बात यह है कि ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री में हमारी सबलाइम की डेफिनेशन बहुत चेंज होती गई है. हमारी एस्थेटिक विद टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा बदलती जा रही है, और अब तो ग्लोबल डेफिनेशन ऑफ सबलाइम इज़ सो डिफरेंट कि अब तो वायलेंस भी सबलाइम है, बिकॉज it's packaged in such a beautiful way that we consume it as sublime, and we look at it as beautiful object. So I think ये बड़ा एक मुश्किल सवाल है, but मेरे लिए सिर्फ ये है कि art actually is something that evokes a certain kind of emotion, or you know, communicates to the audience one way or the other. किसी तरह उन्हें झंझोड़ता है, उन्हें शेक करता है, उनको फोर्स करता है to think, to question, to think outside of their physical reality. कुछ ऐसा करके उन्हें भेजता है. That's, I think, what art is. चाहे वो beauty sublime के through करे, चाहे वो radically shock करके करे, but I think that's what art does. So layman, अगर आप ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर कोई art से वो related नहीं है, तो I don't think you can force anyone to actually appreciate a piece of art. वो जितना कर सकते हैं, because अब वाकई कुछ ऐसी शॉकिंग चीज़ें हैं जो शायद लोगों को प्यारी नहीं लगती, समझ नहीं आती, but still they talk about it, they think about it, and what it does is वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उनकी विजुअल वोकैबुलरी और उनकी इमेजिनेशन को एक्सपैंड करती जाती है without them even knowing कि उनके साथ क्या हुआ है, you know, but they still think about it, they talk about it, they have seen it, they can't unsee it. So I think art has that kind of power, whether you understand it or not, कुछ करता है आपके साथ, and that's enough, I think.